In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your first social shares and your first traffic. The tool we want to use for this is called Viral Content Buzz, and you can reach it through the same URL, viralcontentbuzz.com. Now you have to register for free. You can join with Facebook or you can join with Twitter, which is what I did. And now I will log in. This is how your dashboard looks once you're logged in. You can see several articles and you have the option to share this across multiple networks. You can see there's Pinterest, Facebook, StumbleUpon or Twitter, and even Google Plus on some of these articles. Every time you share something through your own accounts, you will get credits. The credits can be seen in the top right corner, and you earn them through sharing other people's content, or you need to upgrade to Pro, where you can pay for your credits. I will show you how to share something. Just click on the network you would like to use, choose the account. I currently only use my Twitter account, and you will get a pre-populated tweet, but you can modify it if you want to. For example, we can make this #traffic, or you could write anything you like, and you can either send it out now or you can buffer it. And when you buffer this, you can have a look at the Scheduler tab, Buffer Tasks, and you will see all the shares you lined up. This is a Twitter share. Here's the title, and it will go out automatically at this time. You can also have the settings where you can adjust your social accounts, your profile, your messages, and you can set your buffer. This is not under the settings, but under the Scheduler tab. Click Buffer Settings, and you can decide how often you want to share content that is buffered. Save settings, and you're good to go. You can also control the quality of the content you share just by clicking the title. For example, this one, just click on it and you can first check the content. Okay, this is a nice clean blog, no spam. I'm okay with sharing this. So then I can edit what I just did. Now you can see I already have earned 452 credits, and I can go to my projects. These are all articles I submitted. And you can see one of my latest articles about traffic tools. It's red. That means my credits are running out and I need to add more. So let's just do this. Click on the blue button and choose the article you want to push, add credits, and I will show you what happens. We can do this again for another article. It was this one. Just add the credits, and you can see now I only have 392 credits left because it cost me 30 credits per article to push it. And what happens is, if you go back to the dashboard, they are right here on the front page, and the older the articles you submit get, they will be thrown backwards up to 188 pages right now. You can click through, but you get the most shares on the front page. So how do you add a project? You can add a project through the Add Projects tab. You need any page URL. This will be your article. Now you include the title. I usually use the post title, but this is the tweet you will see. So you can add hashtags or anything you like. Now you can have a description up to 200 characters, and this is a description used for Google Plus or Facebook. And now, after you specified the article you want to use, you have to choose the categories. For example, blogging tips, business, and maybe web design. You can choose up to 3 categories at once. Now the project budget, it starts with 10, but I recommend to set this at 30. That's what worked best for me. And if you have an article you expect to be popular, you can start even higher, but don't forget, you can push it back to the front page every time for 30 more credits. So don't make this too high. I prefer to add the credits later to push it back to the front page. You want people to tweet and of course to share on Facebook. I usually make it pin my post on Pinterest, and you can share an image URL which must be hosted on your own website. And this is a very cool feature. You can leverage the effect of this by creating specific Pinterest images, and I will show you how to do this with free tools in the next video. But for now, just keep in mind that you want to add a special created image to get the most traffic out of this feature. You can allow people to like on StumbleUpon, but you have to select one category. For me, for example, this would be the entrepreneur category. So this one, you can retweet me, and this is where you can add your own Twitter handle, and this will help you to increase cloud score, and it really does. I tested it and it worked very well. Now you have to accept the guidelines, of course, but I have never had any article rejected. I only submit my own articles and I submit my guest posts also, and this can add up quickly and give you some nice shares across all the networks, and it also gives you traffic. I've had several articles go viral on StumbleUpon, and this was totally the push that got it started.